import a sound effect to match the animation. As you can see, I've created a sound layer, and in the middle here I'm going to right click on the timeline, choose convert, insert blank keyframe, and we have an empty keyframe here, so this will be where our sound starts here along in the timeline. So if I go to File, Import to Stage, I have a sound file that I have sourced from the internet, and it's a short file, and we can see it's a sound file because it has this red line. Now I'm going to select this and make sure it's set to event. So with this select, and that's how we've created this very simple animation of a tap dripping water with a sound effect.